My name is Demetrios.
And my name is Stephanos. This is Cooking with Stephanos channel.
Please like and subscribe our video.
And today we'll be making salmon over rice.
Okay.
Yes! First we're gonna season the fish. We're gonna be using some paprika, some oregano, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and some salt. Okay, let's get to it. I'm gonna take my knife. Oh, gonna move this a little bit over here. I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna go like this. Make sure it's like a medium-sized cut salmon, like that. It doesn't matter if this is too thin or this is too big. It's still salmon. Okay. You're gonna do that with every one, and then we're gonna take one of these. Make sure to cut through the skin. Skin's really tough. Oh shoot. Okay. You can keep the skin. Some people don't, but I keep the skin for extra crispiness. Make sure to use one glove for touching the fish and one hand for using the knife and the seasonings. Okay, I'm gonna put that in. It should look like this. Oh, whoops. Like this. Let's turn on the stove. We're gonna take some olive oil first. Jesus. Just a little bit of olive oil. And then we're gonna leave the butter and the butter knife right there. Just leave it there. We're gonna use it in a while. Okay. Now we're gonna season one of our salmon. So we'll pick wisely. I want a good medium one. Actually 3 because I'm cooking for my dad, my mom, and myself. So we'll just use this one, and this one. Okay. So, oops, Jesus. We're gonna push it up. Okay, we're gonna put some paprika again. We're gonna put some. Why did I close it? We're gonna put some oregano. Some Italian seasoning. Some salt. And some. And some black pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna rub that in really nice. Get it everywhere in. Everywhere. You guys, you see these sides? You better get the seasoning on these sides. Everywhere. Make sure it's all rubbed. And we're gonna flip these over. We're just gonna sprinkle the back of it. You don't have to worry about some of the seasonings on the back. Just sprinkle some salt on the back. That's it on the back. Okay. Now in our pan here with our olive oil, we're gonna add the salmon. Okay.
And Chef Stephanos, how high of a heat do you need it to be to cook the salmon?
Maybe medium. Okay. Now we're gonna push it down for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So why do you want to push it down? What does pushing it down do?
It can get the crispiness on the bottom. We're going to do that with everyone.
So when you say the bottom, you mean the skin?
Yeah.
Okay.
And some a little bit more all the way on top, everywhere. Get crazy with it. Okay, so we now have this extra. No. Sorry, what am I saying? Hi, again. I cleaned the board because we're gonna be cutting some other stuff, and I put the and now we're gonna. Right now we're just gonna see what the bottom looks like. Oh. Oops. Let me flip from the other side. Oh, see that? That's a nice crisp. That's how you add a little bit salt on the back. Doesn't matter, it has the seasonings. A little bit of the seasoning. Just add it on the back. The seasoning is in the fish. The crisp is from the salt on the back. Okay. Now, we're gonna let that cook. We're gonna just cut some garlic. When you cut garlic and you have a big knife like this, make sure to go like this, and then you punch it like this. Not like this, like this. Okay? You know why you do that? Because it pops it out like that. You see all that garlic that pops out? Okay, now we're gonna grab about 2 or 3. Let's do 2 for now. We're gonna do the same thing. Just gonna pop it a little bit. Just a little bit.
And Stephanos, why do you do that?
So I can get the garlic out faster. Can't get this out. Okay. You got it.
How many cloves do you need?
Little cloves.
Those little pieces. That's like 1
2.
clove. 2?
Yeah, I said 2.
So what are you putting in there? Those 2?
Yeah. When you're cutting, make sure you have your hand like this, like onto the knife, and make sure it's firm. And as you're cutting, make sure your hand backs up a little bit, so you don't cut and then just cut your hand. This is what I like to call the fast chop, is when you have stuff cut like this, like onion, or garlic, or anything that's cut like this, you just go like this. You go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and then do it back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth. And then you go like this, and you scrape it all off, and then you gather it all up with the knife. You push it onto the knife, and there's the garlic. Now you're gonna add that in there. You're gonna add that in there. Oh, you see that salmon? So let the garlic fry a little bit. Oh, it's frying orange. Now we're gonna grab a spoon. Oh, I forgot about basil. Okay, never mind. Let that fry a little bit. So get this. Smells great. Amazing basil. You're gonna see this basil, right? Dad, zoom in closely. You see this? You're gonna roll it up like this.
Let me see, cause your hand.
You're gonna get another piece of basil. And you're gonna put it in there, like a baby in its blanket. You're gonna roll it up like that. Now you're gonna take your knife and chop and chop and chop. Chop. Now it should look like this. Okay. Now while that's frying, we'll take a piece of butter and then drop it in. Now you're gonna put these salmons like this. You're gonna take you're gonna lean it to the side a little bit. Take some of that butter and put it on top. You keep doing this for a while. Oh, whoops, I missed. Now, if it was one salmon, this would be easier, but there's 3. Okay. I almost forgot. Our rice. Since we're making salmon over rice, we're gonna take 2 cups of water. That's 1. And that's 2. Okay. Now put this on low heat. And if you have an assistant, put this on low heat and then keep doing that. But I don't need an assistant because I'm a professional. But tell your assistant to open up the bag of rice. You see? Now this is becoming brown butter. Come on. You see? It's becoming brown butter. That's what gives the salmon the good taste. Okay. Now, we're going to flip this. Ooh, you see that sear? See that sear? That beautiful sear. You see, this isn't burnt. This isn't burnt. That is flavor. That is freaking flavor right there. Okay. Oh my God. Don't be such a pain. Oh, it broke off. It's okay, though. It's all going to go in our stomachs anyway. Remember, this is not burnt. That is flavor right there. Okay. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice.
Okay, are you gonna boil that?
Yes. Oh.
Let's put the heat up.
You know what we're gonna do with some of our basil? We're gonna add it in there. Just a little bit. And we're also gonna add some salt. Now, you're gonna use this on low. Okay, you're gonna put that on low. You're gonna take the spoon and you're just gonna mix it around a bit. Get all the flavor in. So now we're gonna cover that. You see our salmon? Here we're gonna base it on the top. Our salmon's almost done. Okay. You see how it became small? Cause all that the salmon became small. I think it's because while I was cooking it, it shrunk a bit. Okay, now come here. You see the butter? It's still brown butter. So when it comes black, you see it's almost black. That's when we take it out because we don't want a black buttery taste. Brown butter is still good, but we don't want black butter. See? See, that's good. All that fried garlic, still good. Okay. Now I think it's ready. Okay, so now we're gonna make a sauce with it. We're gonna take some of that honey. We're gonna take some honey. We're gonna put a little bit in there. And now we're gonna take one more basil. We're gonna take some basil. You're gonna add it in there. And you're also gonna take a lime and a lemon, a limon. Doesn't matter if it has the seeds in. It really doesn't matter. We're gonna squeeze it in there.
Gives it more of a fresh taste.
Yep. What he said. Here's our lemon. And whip. And squeeze our lime. Jesus. 1 second. Watch it simmer for a bit. Okay. This is what I like to do for lime. You see this? You take these, you put it through here, and then you go like this. So much better. Same thing with the other one. Okay. So you see our lime here? We're gonna take some of that zest and cut it. Might get a little messy while you're cutting it. Trust the process. Oh, geez. And make sure to back up because you don't want that stuff to get in your eyes. You're gonna mix it and we're gonna put this on low and let the salmon just this. And it doesn't matter if you have the seeds. So cut it slowly this time.
I call him Stephanos with Stephanos.
Chef and Stephanos. Okay, you see that?
Yeah.
I mean, I wish it was smaller, but it's fine. That would work. You're gonna mix that with, where's your spoon? You're gonna mix that with that sauce. Now you're not gonna have this in it. Not much, but maybe. We'll see. Okay. That's ready, so we're gonna let it steam there for a bit. Let's check out our rice. I'm gonna show you what it looks on the inside. A beautiful, juicy salmon. Oh, it's hot, but look at that. So beautiful. This is Stephanos.
And make sure you like and subscribe the video. Also, please comment on the video. Tell us what you think. Is there anything that you would try to change as far as the recipe? Was there something that you've tried that maybe works for you? Let us know. Comment in the comments section and click the bell icon to receive notifications on when we create more content. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you with
Cooking with Stephanos. Bye.